And so let's just take that thought, that commitment, that our lives will be a benefit to one another, our lives will be a benefit to all. Let's take that into this time of silence, this time of quiet, this time of connecting with the power, the presence, the peace of spirit that we are. And so we begin this sacred moment simply by breathing into the stillness, by allowing that presence to guide, direct, and support us as we move throughout our life. Affirming that right here and right now, that regardless of the outer experience, regardless of what appears to be going on around us, that we affirm that in this moment, the light, the love, the peace of spirit shines within us. And so we turn away from outer concerns, outer worries, and instead in this moment, make our choice, our intention, our effort to shine that light of presence, that light of spirit into our world and into our life. And so for whatever might be on our minds or on our hearts in this moment, we apply that presence of spirit to that concern, that worry, that thing. We choose to know in this moment that the light and love of spirit is greater than whatever it is we are experiencing. And so right here and right now, we open ourselves up to receive the guidance of spirit, the grace of spirit, the peace of spirit. And so we listen intently as Spirit's voice speaks boldly and loudly to us, right here and right now in the silence. And ever so gently, we feel ourselves being drawn back to this time, to this place, carrying with us in this moment the sacred knowing that the light, the love, the peace of spirit guides us in ways we cannot even imagine. And so we make a conscious choice to right here and right now remain open to that guidance as we move about our experience this day, this week, this month. And in that intention to remain open to the guidance we receive, we are grateful. And so it is with that gratitude in our hearts that we move forward from this time And so we say, thank you, Spirit. And so it is. Amen.